In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create folders in Google Drive on your PC. Whether you're organizing your project files or just trying to declutter your digital workspace, creating folders is a simple yet essential skill that can save you time and keep you organized in the long run. Let's dive in and walk through the process step by step, making sure you grasp everything you need to get these folders up and running. First, you'll want to head over to Google Drive. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Google Drive website. If you're not already signed in, you'll need to enter your Google account credentials to access your Drive. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself in the My Drive section, which is essentially your personal storage space where all your files and folders reside. Now that you're in My Drive, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. Here you'll spot a colourful button labelled New. Go ahead and click on it. This button is your gateway to creating and uploading new files and folders. Clicking it will present you with a drop-down menu filled with options. From the drop-down menu, you'll see an option named Folder. Click on it and this will initiate the folder creation process. When you click it, a dialog box will pop up prompting you to name your new folder. Naming your folder is a crucial step because a clear descriptive name helps ensure you know exactly what goes inside and helps when searching for files later on. Think about what makes sense for you and your organizational system. Perhaps it's based on a project name, a date, or a document type. After you've typed in the perfect name for your folder, you'll see the Create button become active within the dialog box. Once you're satisfied with the folder name, click on Create. And just like that, your new folder will appear in the list of items in your drive. Congratulations, you've just successfully created a folder. You can now drag and drop files into this new folder, or even create subfolders inside it to further organize your documents. Remember, organization is key when it comes to efficiently managing your digital workspace and finding what you need quickly. Now you know how to create folders in Google Drive on your PC. It's a small but significant step towards staying organized and keeping your documents neatly sorted. Spend a few moments thinking about how you might implement this in your day-to-day activities, and you'll surely notice a boost in your productivity. Thanks for tuning in and happy organizing.